Welcome to my Changelly Crypto Exchange review, my usage experience. In this video, I'll break down the key features, my personal experience, and whether or not I recommend Changelly for your cryptocurrency exchanges. Changelly is a well-established platform known for its simplicity, speed, and wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. It's designed for users who want to quickly swap one cryptocurrency for another without the need for complex orders or setting up multiple accounts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Changelly makes it easy to exchange over 200 cryptocurrencies, and it offers both instant and fixed-rate transactions, giving you flexibility depending on your needs. One of the standout features of Changelly is its intuitive user interface, making it easy for anyone to use. I was able to quickly convert between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins with just a few clicks. The exchange process is fast and efficient, usually completing in under 30 minutes, which is a huge advantage for those who want to avoid the delays that come with other exchanges. Moreover, the fixed rate option ensures you won't face price fluctuations during the exchange, which I found especially helpful for making sure I knew exactly how much I was going to get. Changelly also supports bank card and crypto-to-crypto payments, making deposits and withdrawals seamless. While it doesn't offer a wallet, it does integrate with major wallets like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and others, providing a level of convenience when managing your crypto assets. The platform's security measures, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, also put my mind at ease when it comes to protecting my funds. However, there are some downsides. The fees on Changelly can be higher than other exchanges, especially for fiat to crypto transactions, which might be a concern for those looking to minimize costs. Additionally, the customer support could use some improvement. I had to wait a bit longer than expected for a response to a query, which is something to keep in mind if you're facing urgent issues. Overall, Changelly is a solid exchange for those who prioritize speed and ease of use over the lowest fees. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to convert between a wide variety of cryptocurrencies quickly, this platform is definitely worth considering. Just keep in mind the slightly higher fees and potential wait times for support. I hope this review helps you decide if Changelly fits your crypto exchange needs.